Hey guys, Moshe is here, the Electric Israeli. I'm right outside the movie theater, the IMAX, right outside the Rockaway Mall. This is the Rockaway Mall in New Jersey, right off of Route 80. And as I drive around, look what I found! A new supercharger is built on the Rockaway Mall, which is 10 minutes from my house. I can come to the movies, park my car, and get full charge. 10 stalls, guys. 10 stalls. What's next to it? The movie theater I just showed you. Panera Bread. There is also Five Guys, Starbucks, I know, Dick's Sporting Goods, and on and on and on. Right here, you can go see a movie, like I said, and it's awesome. One more turnaround. Guys, I'm so happy. Supercharger, 10 minutes from my house. Amazing stuff. Thank you, guys.